The almighty error of 403 in Google Chrome, that's a real pain in the apps. So in this video, I'm going to teach you not only one, but 3 different methods to solve this problem. And without any further ado, intrimiaggio dentro. It means, let's get into it in Italian. Okay, so if you're getting this error, 403 forbidden, what you want to do is just simply follow my steps. First off, open command prompt, just by simply searching command prompt down in the search bar, right? At this point, what you want to do is that just copy the text that I'll be putting down in the description. The first text is ipconfig /flushdns, then hit enter. Windows IP configuration successfully flushed. Then after that, the next one, netsh winsock reset. Press enter again, successfully reset the winsock catalog. Then you can completely close command prompt. So at this point, you have to get into control panel just by typing control panel. And then large icons, network and sharing. So select your network, then properties, and this is important. Make sure that version 6 Internet Protocol is unchecked, right? This should be unchecked. And about this one, just click properties again and use your own DNS that I'll be giving you. 8888, then 8844. This is a DNS that you should write, okay? Then close again. If the problem still persists, this is the last method that will 100% fix your problem, but be careful about doing it. Click the 3 dots up in here, then settings, privacy and security, then site settings, okay? Then view permissions and data stored across sites. So you want to clear all data, but please be careful that you will be signed out from every website that you've already been signed in. So do it with all the knowledge and be aware of this. And please be aware of this, that you will be signed out of all sites. Clear, and you most definitely will be good. So guys and gals, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video if I helped you to solve this problem. Please take care of yourself and peace out.